Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Taste of Jamaica here at the Montego Bay Convention Center. Taste of Jamaica, as you may or may not know, is probably one of the oldest running culinary competitions in Jamaica that brings together our culinarians, our bartenders, our waiters, and over the last few years we've really pushed to get into the mix our culinary students, be it in art academies or UTech, and then as early as some that are in school. The idea of this is to really try to stimulate those that have a really strong sense of wanting to come into the industry from a career perspective, and then obviously by exposing them to the industry and to competitions such as this, it gives them an idea of what to expect within the industry. So it's a wonderful opportunity for our young people to really get involved. We had a street food village that offered local cuisine, very authentic, that got great support.
special thank you to all of our sponsors, because without them, listen, Taste of Jamaica 2016, the sixth staging would not be possible at all. And so we really want to give them all a big round of applause, starting with the Heart Trust NTA. Want to say a big thank you to the Best Dressed Chicken, the Tourism Enhancement Fund, the Jamaica Pegasus, the Montego Bay Convention Center, the RGR Communications Group, the Jamaica Yellow Pages, Ellen Vare, Lee Key, Per 106. Want to say thank you to Music 99 FM, Anchor. The team is still here, going strong. You get any Anchor cheesecake? You didn't get any? Well, boo for you. It was good. How did you make that slip you? Rainforest Seafoods, pick them up, please. Copperwood, Walker's Wood, the Jamaica Observer, Wiccan, Appleton Estates. Clap Appleton because I heard they put some of us in the right spirits. Coley's, want to say thank you as well to the Jamaica Money Market Brokers. Mellow FM, Starlight, Pop-Up Gourmet Jamaica. Thank you all so much for the support and your pledge in making Taste of Jamaica 2016 what it has been. Chef of the Year 2016, Taste of Jamaica, goes to the Trident Hotels, Ricardo Allen. Congratulations to you, Ricardo Allen, Chef of the Year. Thank you all so much for making it Taste of Jamaica Culinary Competition and Expo 2016. It has been my pleasure being your host, Debbie Bissoon, for the 2 days. And we'll see you next year for the 7th staging. Thank you all, everyone. Have a good evening. Blessings, peace, love, and enough food.